Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to clear Claude AI memory. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now I'm going to show you multiple methods right here. And the first method is to wipe all stored memories permanently. Okay, so go ahead and open up Claude. Now go to your profile at the very bottom. Just click on it. And then go ahead and go to settings. Click. Now the left panel, go ahead and go to the very bottom, click on memory. And you have generate memory from chats. Now go ahead and click on this toggle to turn it off. You could pause the memory or reset the memory. Okay? Pausing, Claude keeps its existing memory but won't use memory or make new memories. Reset, this will permanently delete all memories, including project memories, and this can't be undone. Right? So select one of these options. Now once done, your memory is reset. And by the way, in the same exact section, you can view and manage or delete specific individual memories as well if you have multiple. All right. Now, if you want to turn off memory collection going forward, well, you could just basically click on pause if you want to, not just delete. All right. And to also make sure that this one is disabled, because if you enable it back on, newer memories will be saved. All right. So that is how you clear Claude AI memory. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.